Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI. We all know the importance of having a helmet on, but your kids will like to wear this so much more because this is really cool. This is the Raskullz Mohawk helmet. My son absolutely loves this helmet. It has a really cool design here, and the Mohawk at the top is actually a rubberized material that is not sharp. It moves with your hand. You also have vents at the top and at the back because we all know how sweaty kids' heads get in their helmet, and so that really helps a lot. It has cushion on the inside to help with impact, and the straps are also adjustable. My son wears this even when he does not have to have a helmet on. Like, he will put it on and we'll be dropping him off to school. He just loves it so much, and I'm really happy with that because then I know he's protected when he goes out on his bike or other things that you need a helmet for. So I would definitely give this a try. And that's my point of view.